What's up, guys? It's Drew and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be replacing my driver's side fender on the Sonic. It was in an accident a while back last year, and haven't really got around to messing with it. Just found me a fender on eBay and thought that I would go ahead and take this fender off since it's a nice day. So let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is take this inner liner out. You got some torque bits here. I think it's a T20 Torx bit. And you got some push pins back here. So let's get to taking those out. Have to go through and get all these push pins out, and we'll come back once the push pins are out. Alright, I got the inner fender out. There is a couple of Torx bit screws underneath the front bumper there. That was kind of hidden. So now I'm going to have to find out where all the screws are on here to take this fender off. So we'll be back once I figure out where all the bolts are. We got two little tiny bolts, 10mm bolts right here and here that hold this on. So you have to take that off. And I guess you want to be careful pulling this out because I've already busted it right there. It looks like to get it out, you might have to lift up on it and pull it out. But I broke that one, so hopefully that's not going to be a big deal. But we're making progress here. I think there's a few more bolts I gotta find, so I'll pop back in once I find them for you. You got another 10mm bolt right here, right behind this little rubber piece. You just pull that off of there, and it's right there. And another 10mm bolt. Alright guys, you want to take a pry tool and pry this cover off right here. You got to see right there where the points are. You got point there, there, and there. Then we got to take this bolt out here. And then from what I've seen, there's another bolt somewhere behind the door here. So I'm hoping you can get access to it without having to take the door off. So once I get that done, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I think I found the last bolt. Kind of hard to see there. But when you open the door, you get it exposed right there, so it should be fairly easy to get off. You might be able to get an extension in there or a deep socket or something. So let's get that off of there and see if this thing won't come off. Alright guys, I think I found the last two bolts. You have another 10mm under here holding this bottom piece on. And then you have this screw right there, which is a 10mm that holds this on. And I think that should be it. This thing should come off, so let's see if we can get this thing off. I'm gonna pop back in here. I found another right back here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a Torx screw there. That's the only one I'm missing to get this fender off. You see I got pretty much all the way off. It's just on there with this torque screw right there. Here's the old fender. You will have to take this piece off to transfer to the new fender. It is riveted on there with 2 rivets, so you're gonna have to drill those rivets out, and then you'll probably have to find you a like a little bolt and nut to be able to bolt it onto the new fender, or if you have a rivet gun, you can just rivet it back on there. And there is a small plastic piece that's, I already took it out, but there's a small plastic piece that goes into one of those holes. You'll have to hammer that out to put it on the other one. But other than that, it's off, ready for the new fender. All right, guys, there it is. I got the old fender off. Waiting on the new fender. It should be here within a few days. And I'll make another video putting it back on. So till then, thanks for watching, and check out some more videos that are coming soon. Thanks. Bye.